Out good. So what we did, took our white, added it to the surface. Okay. I included some mistakes on here to show you tomorrow how to fix them. Okay. You're gonna take the back of your brush and you're gonna tap, tap, tap. That's what you should hear. Do that on the tip. If it sounds and feels rubbery, it's not ready yet. Bless you. You can start with your cleanup. Okay. Once your acrylic gets hard, you can start removing. Pinch on the bottom. If your acrylic is not ready and it's still soft, look, I'm pinching. I'm changing the shape of my acrylic. Not only that, but I am weakening the sides. Okay, so it is super important to make sure that you wait until your acrylic fully hardens so that it sets properly. Tomorrow I'm going to show you the sides. We're going to go over why. We're going to peel our nail off and look at the bottom and see why there's acrylic on the bottom. If you have any, if you don't, fabulous. You know you're doing good. We're going to look at the alignment on the sides and talk about why the alignment comes off. We're going to look at when it's going to focus in the eyeball in our curvature to see how we did in pinching correctly or pinching incorrectly our form. Manipulating and hand mandling the form is the worst thing you can do when you're doing forms. Okay, and I'll show you tomorrow on mine why it's bad, how to fix that, how to avoid that, and then I'm also going to show you the filing, how you file the top surface so that this messy application will look and start turning into something like this because we cut it that way. Okay, so that will be tomorrow. Once you're ready, you can take your form sticker off. You're gonna put your name on your finger, and your finger should be left on the third period section on the table for today's grade. Questions? That's all I have for you. Sorry the video stopped in the middle. You can put all your things away because you know the rules now. You can break the rules if you're not using this on clients. You can dump that back in to not waste. Monomer, don't save it because it's going to make a mess in the boxes that we store them in. Just take your napkin and clean it out. Questions? Okay. Tomorrow, the main thing is going to be a short class tomorrow. What you're going to need for tomorrow are going to be these. Whoop, her finger came out. They're going to be these things right here. It's what you're predominantly going to need. Okay. Tomorrow we will be wearing a mask, a face mask, because we're going to be doing a lot of filing. Also, too, what we're going to be doing is very dusty, so I probably wouldn't wear like a sweater, knitting, lace, fabric type clothing because the dust gets everywhere. It will be very dusty tomorrow. Any questions? All right, that's all I have for you for today. If you're going to reboot, set up your things.